Okay, so if you are new to Linux and looking for a file archiver software like WinRAR, I have this app to show you. It's called PeaZip. It looks like this. It has a nice interface, a nice GUI. Uh, if you want some file to archive, just select those files. Right click, choose add, and okay. If you want to select any of the options, you can select them from here. Like it has multiple options, but I'm just for demonstration purposes I will just hit OK. That's it. That's how easy it is to do this. If you are not comfortable with command line tools, this app is perfect and does the job pretty well. If you want to extract, just right click and extract, and it will just extract it. You can download this app from the software store. Just search PeaZip. Here it is. You can just install it from here, or if you're comfortable, you can use command line tools to install it from there. It's a pretty good app. That's the job. Thank you.